Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Salesforce developer account. First, navigate to the official Salesforce developer website. Look for the prominent Sign Up or Join Now button, usually found at the top right or center of the homepage. Click this button to proceed to the registration form. You'll then need to accurately fill in your personal and company information to get started with your new account. On the registration form, carefully enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Choose a unique username for your account. This will be your login ID. Next, select your professional role, company name, and country from the provided drop-down menus. Finally, review the terms of service, check the agreement box, and click the Sign Up button to complete this step. After submitting the form, Salesforce will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open this email and click on the verification link to confirm your new developer account. This step is crucial for activating your access. Once verified, you will be prompted to set a secure password. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria to protect your account. With your account verified and password set, you can now log into your Salesforce developer environment. Take some time to explore the extensive tools, documentation, and resources available to help you start building and customizing applications. This platform offers a wealth of opportunities for learning and innovation, whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding and build lasting wealth, I highly recommend checking out The Simple Path to Wealth. You can find a link to this insightful book, along with other valuable deals, in the video description below. Happy developing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.